फ्रेंड्स, आई एम सृष्टि भाटिया फ्रॉम एसवी क्लासेस और आज की इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द इंग्लिश एग्जामिनेशन विच कैरीज 10 मार्क्स, दैट इज आर्टिकल राइटिंग और डिबेट राइटिंग और स्पीच राइटिंग. Now, when we talk about this question, then I see a lot of students coming with a problem. They are facing that they cannot grab good marks in this question. Now, through this video, we will be discussing the measures through which we can score good numbers from 10 marks. Now, when I talk about 10 marks, then as I discussed in the last video, that each and every question is divided into 3 segments. That means the marks are divided into 3 segments. That is format, content and expression. Now, when I talk about this particular question, then marks are divided as follows. That format carries 1 marks, then content carries 4 marks and expression carries 5 marks. Now you can easily differentiate that how important it is for us to write the content with good expression. जब हमें पता चलता है कि expressions के 5 marks हैं, then it becomes more important for us to write the content with good expressions. Now, how to write the content with good expressions is now the basic issue. So there are some ways in which we can show our smartness. I have always suggested you to do lot of readings. In my past video also I have been telling you that because we are home nowadays and we have got ample of time, so we can spend this time very fruitfully by doing readings. Now, how will reading be beneficial to us? Now, this is just an example that how to differentiate our work from others. For example, I am doing one reading. मैं कोई अच्छी सी बुक लेकर पढ़ रही हूँ and I found good quotes from William Wordsworth. मैंने विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ की पोएम मुझे पढ़ी और उसमें से मुझे कुछ कोट्स मिल जाते हैं, कुछ अच्छी लाइन्स मिल जाती हैं. आई टेक अप दैट लाइन्स, आई मेक डायरी राइटिंग. मैं एक डायरी में उसे नोट डाउन कर लेती हूँ. देन अगेन आई डू सम रीडिंग्स और आई एम रीडिंग सम मैगजीन और न्यूज़पेपर. आई टेक आउट दैट थिंग्स, नॉट ओनली कोट्स, वी कैन ऑल्सो नोट डाउन द सेइंग्स ऑफ ग्रेट प्रीचर्स. और हमें जो भी अच्छा दिखाई देता है, फ्रूटफुल दिखाई देता है, हमने उसे नोट डाउन कर लिया. एंड देन वंस इन अ मंथ और ट्वाइस इन अ मंथ वी कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट रीडिंग्स. जो हमने पढ़ा है उसे एक बार नॉर्मली हम रीड करेंगे. दैट विल एक्चुअली फिक्स इन अ मेमोरी. एंड व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन, देन दिस writings we can find the commonness, हमें commonness मिलेगा और we can you know adjust these lines in everywhere, that means in every segment. For example, whether it is report writing or article writing or essay writing, anyhow. So this is the way in which we can show our smartness, because we cannot make the prediction of what kind of topic we will be going to see in the examination or what the examiner wants to is expecting from us to write. So this is the way where we can show our smartness. Again, like I have always talked about in my past videos, हम हमेशा इस बारे में बात करते हैं that what is actually going on around us becomes the part of the paper. Now, gone is a time when we were small, we used to learn the topic of cow, and then we used to get the essay on cow. Then we used to learn the topic of my good friend, and then we used to write that topic. So gone are the times. So we cannot make predictions, but of course we can show the our intelligence that we can just observe the things going on around us. For example, we are staying at home and we are taking our online classes. Now here the role of technology becomes important. So you can expect the topic of something which is related to technology. Now you need to find some good lines of technology so you can adjust in your writings. Second thing, the role of doctors and nurses and medical staff, again very important. So you can grab some good lines and use it in your article or report or debate. Then again, the political issues we are facing with the neighboring countries again becomes important, so that we can also now this is a topic of concern, we can learn some facts about it. So what kind of challenges we are facing with the neighboring countries and the past issues which we had with the neighboring countries. So learning the facts and learning the information and grabbing those information is important for us. This is our job, to search out the facts and make a good self notes. So these things will which will help us universally, not only in our English language subjects. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ English language में ही हमें help करेगी. It helps us and actually affects our personality. हम इस बात को नहीं समझते that when we are working hard in a subject, तो because English is a comprehensive subject, it helps to makes us mature, affects our personality overall, makes overall development. So there's always a difference between growth and development. So English leads to development, not in the growth. It leads to overall development. So with this coming videos of SV classes by Srishti Bhatia, I will be discussing more such methods, and with using those we can actually not only grab good marks, but we can overall help ourselves in gaining numbers in all the subjects. So I would again like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned to SV classes, and you can also drop your comments in the comment section so that in the coming videos you may work upon them. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.